Stop sitting on a bench, didn't you? Ready? Ready? Go, Finch. Get it. Head under. Jerry, what are you waiting for? Jerry, what about this? And breathe. Breathe. Good boy. Close it here, Jerry. Jerry. Alright then, don't mate. Look at that. Oh, you little shit. Come here. Oh. Jerry. Oh, you little fucking shit. I want that. Jerry, come here.
Cunt.
Don't growl at me.
Oh, look at the size of she.
Jerry. Go get it. Oh, you're so dumb. Put your head up.
Toss it back.
Pick it up now, y'all. Jerry, you die. Get it.
I just like seeing him put his head under, don't you?
It's different, isn't it? It's the wrong one. It's alright though. Just shake.
Shake.
Shake. Shake. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Pull up those ear rolls.